Hi friends, welcome to my channel Karthik at the rate 7. Today I am talking about how to earn money from the Google News. I give the information. You can take the daily Google News and copy and paste the various websites that I can tell you and earn from this website. So friends, come to the mm, Google News. First we can come into the Google News. Google News provide the daily greatest and beautiful information about the world. Greatest just information gave all over the world. You can see here business type of the information, technology information, entertainment information, sports information, science information, health. All this type of the information provide daily on this Google News. Mm, uh, so friends, if you search health information, GTH information, to defend and search health information, you can see here there are so many health information provided are already updated in the Google News. So I click people make unhealthy choice as brain processes test before health information study. This is the information, daily information provided on this Google, and people from the various countries come and read this type of the information. That is one of the greatest information provided by the Google in their daily news. So friend, you don't worry, you just need to this copy all this article and paste on this reference website that I tell you and earn from this website. So friends, you can come here. I show you which type of website that you can use. First website use is the writerweekly.com. This is a website you can take the information or latest news from the Google and paste in this website and earn money from this website. How many money provide this website for one article? You can see here at the end of the bottom. Mm, you can see here. This is a freelancing career .org paying market. If you read an article of you can read article in the marketing information, give the marketing information article and pay 8 to 10 dollars per page, and they can pay every 2 week. And this is a marketing information. If you provide earth is land information relative, they can provide $100 per articles and provide 0.25 cent word per word. And also if you see here the dance information on, if you read more, you can see how many articles are posted in this site and how many paid. You can paid $85 for 2500 word. You can go to this Google News and you can, and this is an dance international. You can search here the dance international. You can see here the various type of the dance information are provided by the Google News. You just need to copy all this information and paste on this website, and for this you can get paid. So friends, see, watch, there are the various type of dance, and international provide a dance lesson on top yeah, mark in the ballroom on COVID comeback international dance music industry. There is a various type of the article provided by the Google News in the daily basis. You can just need to copy on this article and paste on the website the writerweekly.com. So friends, I tell you the another website that you can paste another website is known as the scripted.com. In this year you can come and become a writer. For this you get paid. Mm, and you can see here the scripted writer made already $1 million in 22. The right and Inno skipped it as a client across the 37 different industries. You can see here that there is a various type of article and take from the Google News and paste here and get fit from the scripted.com. They are the various there is the various writer are available at right now, and you can upload and get fit for this. For this, and I can show you the another website that you can take is the article and paste, um, is known as the gcadvocate.com. gcadvocate.com, it is one of the best website in the America, and the people of America come in this website and read article, various type of the article. You how many dollars are paid for this article? You can see here we pay between 100 to $150 for article between 1000 and 3000 word. You can go to this Google News and take the business information on the daily basis as and just go to the business information, and the all information you take coffee, you just coffee, you need to the coffee or and paste in this website, is paste in this website, and you can get 100 to the $150. This is an amazing website that provide you daily job, and a writer and various type of the writer are come into this so gcadvocate.com and write the various type of article and get paid from this article. So friends, I can also show you the another type of website that you can go and write and pay, copy and paste article and you get paid. The article, the site is known as the Central Coast Journal. CCJ, Central Coast Journal, is a journalism website that you can copy the article from this Google News and paste into the Central Coast Journals and get paid. So you can see here they pay is $75 for an article published 850 words, and also $100 for article just 850 word count of the article or photo. If you add to photo on this article, and you get $100 per one article. If you posted the 10 article, you can $1,000. If you posted 100 articles, you can earn $10,000 from this article. So friends, you just to need Google News and copy and paste on this website, and you can earn. This is an absolutely um, online business without any investment, any knowledge, any experience. So friends, if you want to earn more money from the online without any investment, any skill, knowledge, kindly subscribe my channel, and because I provide daily information how to earn money without any knowledge from online. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.